Hello, students, and welcome to School Store TV. Check out some of these awesome prizes you can win this year. Guess what, students? Your school just started their very own school store program to help raise money. Now, the really nice part about this is that you win prizes just for helping. I'm talking about really cool prizes. When your family and friends shop or make a donation online through your school store, your school earns money. But first, we've got to let them know how this program works.
Extra, extra.
We have to spread the news about your school store. If you'll help spread the news, you'll get your first prize tomorrow. Let me tell you how. Today, your teacher is going to give you an envelope to take home. It looks like this. It tells your parents what we're doing, how your family can help, and how you can win prizes. With your parents' help, you send email invitations to family and friends, asking them to help by shopping or making a donation at your school store. After sending the emails, you'll be given a prize code to write on your envelope. Return the envelope to school with your prize code, and you win your first prize. So, what do you do to start winning prizes? Number 1.
Take it home.
Number 2.
Send an email.
Number 3.
Bring my prize code back tomorrow.
That's right. All you have to do is return your prize code tomorrow, and your prize is waiting. Exactly what is that prize? You get to select a mystery pack that has one of 6 different super plush backpack pets. A dolphin, a shark, a turtle, a seal, a penguin, or even the very rare seahorse. Who knows which one you'll get, but you'll love each one of them because these plushy pets all come with a hanger for your backpack. Now listen up, because we're just getting started with the prizes. When your family and friends shop or donate in the family bookstore, your personal prize thermometer rises with every item purchased. Inside your envelope is a list of all the cool prizes you can earn. Things like a fast food squishy, a dinosaur slime egg, and the very popular Wild Republic Hugger, a Bluetooth speaker, a party bulb, an awesome tent, an inflatable chair, a drone, the Echo Dot, a karaoke machine, and the always amazing iPad. The really cool part is that you can see your prize thermometer online to see exactly how close you are to the next prize level. Right now, we have a very special promotion to help your school and you earn more money. Each family envelope has a golden ticket with a unique number under a scratch-off. One student in your school has the winning ticket. After your family sends their emails, you'll be allowed to enter your golden ticket number to see if you hold the winning ticket. If the numbers match, you will win $100. To get your shot at the $100, all you have to do is send emails to family and friends. So, one more time, what do you do to win those prizes?
Take it home. Send emails. Bring my prize code back tomorrow.
Students, you're going to love these prizes. And oh yeah, teachers, thank you for your help. Be sure to look for your teacher appreciation info. you're going to love this year's Teacher Appreciation Gift. Students, those prizes are waiting. Remember, number 1, show your envelope to your parents. Number 2, send out email invitations tonight. And number 3, bring your envelope with your prize code back tomorrow to get your first prize. And then watch your prize thermometer go up, up, up. Good luck, everybody, and thanks for watching School Store TV.
All right, kiddos, you heard it there. Every envelope that goes out to you all, one of them has the $100 prize in it, but you have to send that out. You have to send out the emails first to get the code to put in to see if you are the $100 prize winner. And more importantly, this is a really easy fundraiser because all it requires you to do is send the emails, and then as your family and friends shop, the school gets money from that, and it's shopping in all kinds of stores online. All kinds of stores. Target, Walmart, Kohl's, just tons of places that people already shop online anyway. And we get a portion of the proceeds of their sales. They don't pay more for the item. We just get a % of what it is that's sold. So super easy fundraiser for our school. The only thing you have to do is send emails to family and friends and ask them when they purchase things online, would they please do it through OKH. They still get the same item. They still pay the same price for the item, but we get a little bit of the money that they spent to purchase the item. So bring those envelopes in on Monday. Don't forget, next week is Spirit Week. We will be putting people first, reimagining possibility, innovating, and growing. We will be dedicated to our community. And on Friday, we will energize the world before we attend Nelson County Schools Fall Pride Games. You guys have an amazing weekend.